2, 3, 4, 5.
誰かブレークさん了解。
すいません、ブレークよろしいですか。This is YJ0 Alpha Victor Echo brake brake. This is Yankee Juliet 0 Alpha Victor Echo from Vanuatu calling CQ. よろしかったらちょっとコンタクトお願いします。どうぞ。Okay, this antenna is we say the spider beam antenna. Just the shape is the spider nest, but this antenna is a homebrew. It's a by handmade antenna, very lightweight, so very easy to carry by airplane. And this mast is also the aluminum. And we bought from the United States this pole. And always we carry it from my home to every country and put the antenna like this. And we enjoy the talking by our transmitter receiver. So these are very important equipment, our transmitter and antennas. So this antenna is very well performances.
How high is the antenna?
It's 8 meters.
8 meters high.
Yes. Diameter is about 10 meters.
Did it all come from the United States or just the pole?
Yeah, from United States and the European countries, many contacts in the midnight maybe.
Okay.
Yeah. So we enjoy very well. But we need the wide open free space for antenna.
Yep.
So this space, this resort, Richardson resort is very well for us.
Okay.
Yeah.
How many members?
Yeah, now we are only two. But
Two here?
usually 2, 3 or 4 members go to another country. But
Yep.
this time only 2. Yeah.
And you speak to all other people in other countries?
Yeah, it's many.
Yeah.
More than he contacts already 1,000.
1,000 already?
Yes, I speak only by SSB, it's by voice. But he it's make it CW, say.
Okay.
The morse
So
code.
what's it actually called, what you're doing?
It's every time they confirm the call sign and sending the report of signal strength, that's okay. Sometimes the name,
Okay.
very simple, because many people waiting to contact us.
Okay.
ちょっとコンタクトお願いします。どうぞ。アルファビクターエコーブレイクです。どうぞ。I also I was a senior volunteer of JICA. JICA is a Japan International Cooperation Agency. It's a governmental organization, and this association sends the people to the country who request some support. So in this country, we have about 30 people of JICA, and they are working for every places, and some of them working in the outer island. And last Saturday, we had the 2 guys. One is working for the Ministry of Internal Affairs, and another one is for the maintenance for the mobile. They are 2 also the senior volunteer. And I was also the senior volunteer of Marshall Island and Indonesia, also in Bhutan. So now I'm free now. But I want to go someplace again, one more time. So because to support something for another countries is very enjoyable and happy for me. I already retired and 68 years old now. Yeah. So, but to see many things and many places, it's very interesting and happy. Yeah. Okay. We are from Japan. These are this Vanuatu call sign here. I get this call sign and he get this one. YJ0 Alpha Queen Yankee. But we have another call sign in our club station in Japan. JA1ZEK is our club call sign in Japan. Also the same club, but this time it's expedition to Vanuatu. So we are enjoying so much from here. This is our hobby. So by this call sign transmit to every country in the world, and we enjoy talking and get many contacts with our friends. So yes, maybe my wife said, "Oh, how it is so interesting," but we just our hobby here. So this place is very nice place, Bluewater Island Resort. I select by the internet, check again and again, and we select this place. So nice, beautiful, very beautiful place and wide open area. We can put the antenna so freely. Yeah, we are happy now.